Alright, hello. So in this session I want to continue with a build graph method for my GOAP algorithm, which I had in JavaScript previously. It was a test, but I spent some time configuring my structure in Rust, and I stopped on iterating available actions that we had in our config file in JSON. And I just want to go through kind of first iteration of objects. Okay, so this is the iterator we look at here. I just realized that I've got completely different names, and I will have to mentally map what I meant in the code over there and the thing I have over here. So let me quickly delete that, and I'm just gonna call it a key so that we are consistent and we can just yeah, just use the code that we had over here. So we iterate available actions. This is nice. We don't need that. So what do we have here? If action preconditions start node state. So here we try to check if we if the action we look at can be performed with the current world state of incoming start node. This is a good idea to maybe have a variable to say that has preconditions or matches preconditions. I'm gonna leave it as has preconditions. So action. I hope it still has the method we gave it. Alright, so available action. Why is it not giving me gaction methods? So this is our gaction, and we have the method are preconditions met. Okay, let's try and use it. Are preconditions met? We need to pass the incoming state start nodes state. So start node dot state. All right, I'm not sure what kind of issues I might get here, but let's run it. Whoop. Let's not do that. So yeah, from last time I created a repo. It's going to be in the description, but for now we just cargo run. So let's look at the bugs. Alright, so we don't have bugs in the very beginning. So line 119, a start node state should be moved. So our preconditions map met. So let's see at the implementation. So this is actually fun. I mean, I realize there's a bunch of state sharing things it needs to do. Oh Jesus, maybe if I add a reference to it. Okay. So it says, found a reference, consider removing start node state. Oh. So maybe this method shouldn't, yeah, it should accept the reference. It's not gonna override anything. Our preconditions met. Yeah, let's go there. Whoop. Our preconditions met. Yeah, I need to use this probably. I just wonder, Jesus, will it work? Bam. How many errors do we have now? And now it says expected hash map. Found the reference. Oh, I'm not using the Rust code correctly. Should it be like this? Ah, yeah. So now line 38 needs a hash map, but I'm passing a reference. Oh, hash map contains is a separate method up there. Yeah, and I'm gonna convert it here since I'm throwing references around. Man, this is boring, especially for you to watch if you watch. All right. Line 91, 91 GG. So, since we're not doing that anymore, it was just for a test. And this is for a test, and this is for a test. And technically, all this was just for a simple test. So I'm gonna straight up remove it. So what are we left with? is this. And it compiled. Holy shit. Let's see if this compiles now, and I mean if it outputs whether the has preconditions with the key is false or true. Print ln. Let me do that. Print ln. So this is going to be for key. So I realized previously that there's a new version of Rust that came out, and I could use like variables right inside, but I don't feel like I want to do it. Has conditions, and I need to pass the key, and has preconditions. Yeah, let's check it out. Boom. So immediately we see that one of the keys, search ammo, doesn't have conditions. This is so hard to read. Yeah, let's just add this quickly. So some of the states don't have the conditions met, some of them do. Scout suicidal. Change mood has it. I wonder if I created my JSON object correctly. This might or may be correct. Alright, who cares? Let's see. So this is one branch, and it checks whether it has preconditions. Alright. I think I'm gonna leave this as a debug information. And then if we don't need parentheses, it's Rust, it's smarter and more beautiful. If has preconditions, then something. So this portion is a bit more complicated, and I don't think I will finish this in one session. I want to keep it short, so I'm gonna do this. Yeah. What else is true? Change mode. All right. Okay, fuck it. Let's write some code. So let next state is going to be a clone of start node states. So start node state clone. All right. So this is that. So now we need to write stuff from the things that action promised to do to the copy. So action. Oh, forgot how it's called. Was it apply something? Update with post conditions. Why doesn't it give me like suggestions? Never mind. We should not let the thing stop our progress, which is really slow. Next state. All right. So this is for actions, and this was for goals. Yeah, there's probably something wrong with my initial setup. Since I was copying a lot of things, I might have forgotten something. Sorry. So we updated that. Then we create a new node. Let next node is gnode. I don't care about creating new associated method. I'm creating stuff on the fly. So we came from start node. How was I creating this thing? Oh, okay. Yeah, it's going to be best if I just copy stuff over. And do this, delete this. Whoops. Yeah, let's write it first to have it formatted. Disregard that. Why is it complaining? Alright, let's just do this. And why didn't it format my code? So this is the next node. Alright, let's run it again. Oh, semicolon, semicolon, semicolon. Boom. Now it should be correct. So this thing came from start node. Why is it in the box? Oh, because the first one could be none, and yeah. Dynamic stuff. Wait, was it a option? option node. So I need to have a sum. So this is, it's supposed to be wrapped in sum start node. Alright, that's fine. And I should copy next state to it. Since it's a clone already, yeah, nobody uses that, and I can safely pass it in over here. Come on, Vim. Next state. So the running cost, as I mentioned, is going to be like a sum of all the costs that we had plus current one, meaning the deeper we go, the more accumulated cost we get. So every node knows how expensive it is using its own price and all the prices summed together before, like, where we are. So this is start node running cost plus the action we are at cost. This should be just enough. But since I spent so much time on debugging, cargo run and not working. Oh, so what did I do incorrectly? Mutable reference here. Next state should be mutable. Yes, because I am mutating that over here. Let mute. So this is mutable. Two errors. Oh. Yeah, it literally gives me the solution. I need to pass a mutable reference to the next state. And yeah, let's see if we've got one error now. Previous error, just one. So what do we have here? Expected struct found a G node. Why is it like this? Should I dereference it somehow? Is it like this? This might be the case where where I could stop because I literally have no solution for this case. And it doesn't give me what exactly have I done. So this is bad, and I think I will implement this in the next session. It's becoming way too big of an episode. Cheers.